Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 11.4 question number 10. In the following figures find the area of the shaded portion. That means you have to find the area of D, F, E, C, D. This is the shaded portion. For that let us write what is given. Here you see that what is given, you see that is this side is given as 18 centimeter. This is given as BC. Therefore, you can find the area of this rectangle, right? That is 18 into 10 centimeter, right? And if you, this is the whole area, right? You subtract the area of this triangle and this triangle from the whole area, you will get the area of the shaded portion, right? Therefore, area of the shaded portion can be written as area of shaded portion. Here you see that area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle ABCD. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle ABCD. A, B, C, D minus area of triangle. Area of triangle, this one AFE, AFE plus area of triangle plus area of triangle, this triangle BCE, it is BCE, right? Now find area of the rectangle, this rectangle. The length is 18 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Therefore, area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth. Length is 18, that is 18, and breadth here you see is 10, and the unit is centimeter, that will be centimeter square, minus area of triangle AFE. We know that area of a triangle is half base into height. Area of a triangle is half, it is 1 by 2 into B, that is base, into H, that is height. Here see, if we take this as base, that is 10 centimeter AE, and height is AF, right? That is half base into height is half 1 by 2 into base. Here you see base is AE, right? Base is AE, and height is you see this is the height AF, height is AF. This area plus area of triangle BC, this is BCE, right? This is the base, that is half base into height is half. What is the base? Base is BE. Base is BE. Half base, base means BE. And height is BC. Height is BC. If we put the value, we will get, here you see that area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is 18 into 10. That is 18 into 10 is 180 centimeter square. 180 centimeter square minus area of triangle, that is half into base into height, half into AE. AE is 10 centimeter. A is 10 into AF. AF is 6 centimeter, is 6, plus half base into height, half, into base. What is the base? Base is C, BE is the S. Base, that is 8. And what is the height? Height is 10. Height is 10 centimeter. 10. Height is 10. Right? This is in centimeter square. Because this is area, the area unit of area is centimeter square here. Right? What you'll get, you see, this is 180 centimeter square. 180 centimeter square minus, what you get this value? 2 5 is 10. Right? Or 5 6 is 30. 30. This is plus, you divide by 2. 2 4 is 8. Or 4 10 is 40. 40. The unit is also centimeter square. Right? There is 180 centimeter square minus 30 plus 40 centimeter square. That one you will get the value of 180 centimeter square. 180 centimeter square minus 40 plus 30 is 70 centimeter square. You subtract the value, we will get. If you subtract the value, you will get centimeter square. Then 180 minus 70 minus 70, it is 0. It is 781. 110 centimeter square. That the value of this is 110 centimeter square. Right? Therefore, you got the value of the shaded portion is 110 centimeter square. How you got? You see area of this shaded portion. This is the area. This area is the shaded portion. Therefore, first of all, you find the area of the rectangle, that is whole area, right? Minus this area, that is triangle AFE plus area of triangle BCE. This triangle. You subtract the area of this triangle and this triangle from the whole area of the rectangle. Therefore, area of the rectangle is length, this is breadth, that is 10 into 18, right? And area of a triangle, we know that is half into base into height, half into b into h, area of a triangle. So we find the area of this triangle, half base means 10 and height means 6. Here you see, this is the height, right? And in the same way, the triangle of area of this triangle BCE, base is 8 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter, is 10 into 8, and we got this 30 plus 40, 70 centimeter square. Therefore, from 180, you subtract 70 centimeter, will get 110 centimeter square. Therefore, you can find that the area of the shaded portion of this figure is 110 centimeter square. This is the answer. We'll solve figure number 2. Now, you see, figure number 2 is figure number 2. Now, see figure number 2. In figure number 2, what you are getting, you see, figure number 2. This one is figure number 2. Let us find the shaded portion, right? What you have to do in this case is that first of all, that is, here it is given that area of the shaded region, this is the shaded region, right? What you have to do, that area of PQRS, that means the area of the whole square, right? Area of the whole square minus area of this triangle, area of this triangle, and area of this triangle, right? That means we are getting area of triangle P, this one is PQT, and this one is TSU, and this one is URQ, right? UQR. Let us find. Therefore, area of the shaded portion is equal to area of the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion area of the shaded portion, the shaded area of the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion is equal to area of area of the whole square, that is PQRS, PQRS minus area of minus area of triangle, QPT, minus area of area of triangle TSU, that is TSU, this triangle TSU minus area of triangle of triangle UQR, right? Now let us find. Here you see, first of all find the value of area of PQRS. Here you see, this is 10 centimeter. From T to S is 10 centimeter. That means we'll find the value of other sides also. Here you see, the whole side is 20 centimeter. T to S is 10 centimeter. That means P to 10 will be 10 centimeter also, because 10 plus 10 is 20. Because 10 plus 10 we got the value as 20, right? That means it is 10 centimeter. P to T is 10 centimeter, right? Here you see, this is 10 plus 10, that is 20 centimeter, right? Therefore PQ is also 20 centimeter. Now you can find all the values here. Now you calculate this one. Area of PQRS, it is a square, right? Therefore the value of this SR is 10 plus 10 is 20 centimeter. This is 20 SR, and QR is 20 centimeter, right? That is, the value of area of PQRS is 20 into 20, right? That is SR into RQ, right? That is, area is SR, that is SR, that is, here you see, the value of this area of PQRS, that is SR, the length SR into RQ, This is the area of this square, minus area of triangle QPT, here you see. Suppose this is, we know that area of a triangle is half base into height. Area of a triangle is half base into height. There is 1 by 2 into B is base and H is height, right? Now here you can get 1 by 2 into base. Let us take base as PQ, and height as PT, minus area of triangle TSU, this triangle, right? Half base is this one, SU, that is 10, that is half into base is SU, and height is ST, minus area of triangle UQR, right? The half, here the base is UR and height is QR, right? Therefore you get the value here as SR. SR means 10 plus 10 is 20, that is 20 into RQ, is also 20 into 20 minus half into PQ, The value of PQ is 20. Here see PQ is 20. PQ is 20. And to PT, P to T is 10 centimeter. 10 minus 1 by 2 into SU. Into SU, SU is 10. SU is 10 into ST. ST is also 10 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into UR. UR is 10. UR is 10 into QR. QR is 20. Right? Now if you got the value, that is here 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Right? Here also you got 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. And here cut it by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Right? Now we'll got the value, that is 20 into 10 to 2 to the 4, 0, 0 minus 5 to the 10, that is 100, 100 minus 5 to the 50, minus 50 minus 5 to the 10, that is 100, 100, that is minus 250. Right? That is we are getting 400, 400, 400 minus 100 plus 100 is 200 plus 50, 250, 250, 250. Maybe subtract 250 from 400. This is 400, and we subtract 250, 250. Then we are getting, this is as 0, this is 5, here is 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 150. Therefore, we are getting 150 centimeter square. We are getting 150, 1, 5, 0 centimeter square. This is area, therefore it is centimeter square. Right? How you find the area of the shaded portion? You see here that area of this square minus area of this triangle minus area of this triangle minus area of this triangle. Since this is a square, the area of this square is side into side. Here it is 10 plus 10 is 20. That means 20, and this length is also 20, because all the this is a square. There were 20 plus 20 plus 20, all are 20. Right? There were 20 to 20 area of PQR is, right? And area of triangle QPT, QPT, that is half base into height. Half base is 20 and height is 10. Here also this triangle, half base is 10, height is 10. And this for this angle minus half of base is 10 and height is 20. Right? That is we are getting the area of the shaded portion is 150 centimeter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.